Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your MI robot vacuum mop in 2026. So in order to basically reset it, first of all, you need to make sure of one thing, which is the power supply. So you need to make sure that your vacuum is powered on. If it is off, you can just simply press the power button once in order to wake it up. After that, you need to look at the top of the vacuum because most of the MI robot vacuums have two buttons available. So as it can be seen here, the first button is of home and the second button would be of the power button. So here these are used for resetting the device. So you need to simply press and hold the power and the home buttons together for about 5 to 10 seconds and release when you hear a voice prompt or when you see the LED indicator reset. After doing so, you need to open the MI home application on your phone, add the device again and follow the setup process to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. After doing so, you can start a cleaning cycle to make sure that everything is working properly. And that's how you can easily reset your MI robot vacuum mop in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.